BAPSCARCARE Gel is a medical silicone gel enriched with vitamin E for the treatment and prevention of abnormal scars. Treatment with BAPSCARCARE Gel can be started as soon as the wound is closed, if there is no scab formation and if all stitches have been removed. BAPSCARCARE Gel can be applied to existing scars immediately. Clean and dry the skin before use. Use the gel twice a day so that your scar receives treatment day and night. And reapply it after exercising, showering or bathing. Apply the gel until the scar feels silky smooth. Once the gel is dry, cosmetics can be applied on top of it. Continue BAPSCARCARE Gel for as long as the scar is elevated, red or causes complaints. The duration of treatment varies from person to person and from scar to scar. First results are often seen after 3 months of treatment. BAPSCARCARE Gel, because every scar needs care.